all. We are going to learn Alex Boye's background vocal now to the song Newborn. And we are doing 3 different background vocals. This is the first of 3, and please learn all of them. The syllables we are singing are O le 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 o a le. Once again, O le 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 o a le.
2, 3, and
O le 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 o a le. O le 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 o a le. O le 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 o a le. O le 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 o. 1, 2, 3. So now we are going to jump ahead to the B section of the background vocal, and you'll find this right before letter F in your sheet music. We're on the top staff. Here the syllables are O A O A O A O A.
1, 2, 3, and 1, 2.
O A O A O A O A O A O A O A O A O A O A 1, 2, 3.
And 1, and
Now we're going to go back to right before letter F, and we're going to do a section we're calling the C section, and it's on the lower part of the staff.
1, 2, 3.
A-O, A-O,
1, 2, 3.
A-O, 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 A. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
So now we are going to continue with a part we're calling the D section. This is a couple of bars before letter G.
1, 2, 3, and
A-O, 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 A. I'll go 1, 2, 3, and then you
1,
start.
2, 3, 4.
Tough one.
Now we are doing part 2 of the D section, which
Tough
is the
one.
harmony right below
Tough
it.
one. Tough one.
1,
Here?
2,
Here.
3, and
A-O, 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 A. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi, we are at measure
Bottom line.
65, the bottom part. A-O, 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 A. 1, 2, 3. Hi, we are now at bar 84. We're doing 4 bars, and this is a unison part. The whole company will sing this.
2, 3, and
O le 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 o e le, o le 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 o e le, o le 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 o e le, o le 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 o e le. 1, 2, 3. Hi, we are now at bar 91, and we are going from bar 91 all the way to the end. The first pattern repeats 11 times. Everybody in the company is going to learn the top part, which we are doing now.
2, 3, and
O le 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 o e le, 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 o le 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 o e 1, 2, 3. So now everybody who is doing bottom, so all center obviously is learning this, bar 102, this is where it changes for the people who are going to be on the bottom part.
1, 2, 3.
Ayo, ayo.
1, 2.
Ayo, ayo. Ayo, ayo. Ayo, ayo. Oh, ayo. 1, 2, 3.